Halloween man. Halloween man.
Spider, bat, skeleton, spooky,
Flashlight. Boo. Balls. Monster. Witch. Ghost.
Skull, spider web, black cat,
tombstone, cemetery, witch's hat, caffeine,
Gravestone. Cold dawn. Werewolf. Owl. Wizard. Potion.
castle, moon, haystack.
Once upon a time, when I got home from shopping, I noticed something was following me. At first, I was scared, but I remembered that it's Halloween and many can wear masks. Scary. I think it's dangerous for pregnant women and old people to go out this day. I was scared. I asked myself, have you ever seen a skeleton? Have you ever been in cemetery at night? Have you ever made potion in cauldron? No, never. I haven't. I have never done none of them. That's why I'm scared. So maybe I should participate in Halloween to see what it is really like. Not a good idea. Therefore I decided to be a Halloween man.
Present perfect. Present perfect is used when we don't talk about time in the past. We don't use specific time like yesterday, last year, last summer, last season, last autumn. We don't say the time that, for example, like in 1999, we don't speak about specific time. We don't use when, we don't use what time. We talk about things that happened in the past, before now. Anytime. 2 seconds ago, 2 years ago, 2 months ago. We don't talk about it. Instead, if you want to notice, if you want to talk about it, if you want to talk about action in the past, we use past simple. In past simple, we use the time. We talk about specific time. We mention the specific time. We say last year, 2 years ago, 3 years ago, 5 months ago, yesterday, in 2011, when I was a child. What time did you go to? So as you can see in this table, for present perfect we use the third part of irregular table. Like done, cut, begun, swam. Here we don't say when. Instead, if you want to say, we use second part. Began, swam, drank. I drank coffee yesterday. For present perfect, this is the structure you can see. I, you, we, they, have, and the third part. You say done. And for he, she, it, we use has, and we say done. I, you, we, they have done. Question, have you done? I haven't done. It's example. As an example. For he, she, it, we say she hasn't done. Has he done? And the short answer is yes, I have. No, I haven't. Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. In present perfect simple, we can say I have already been, I haven't done it yet, many times I've traveled, and so on, and etc. The second part in present perfect use how long, an action in the past till now. So there's a connection which was and is. How long? It's the first thing we start to ask a question. We say, how long have you been? How long have you done? How long have you met? How long have you done? And you use since and for to answer it. For example, you can say, I have been, I've lived, I've met, I've traveled, and so on. I've traveled since 2010, since 2011, for 10 years. Since is used like from, present perfect. You don't say from. You don't say, I've lived in New York from 2010. You say, since 2010.
I just remember we had found some Halloween decoration in the basement of our house before we moved in. When I was thinking about the Halloween decoration, suddenly I heard a sound in the hallway. I was scared. Who is it? I went quietly to the door to see who it was. I asked myself,
Before you go to Halloween Carnival,
Do you really like Halloween? Why do you like Halloween? What is interesting about Halloween? Do you know why this carnival is celebrated? Have you ever read anything about it? Why do we wear masks or costume? Who started Halloween? Why Halloween is celebrated on October 31st? Would you celebrate it if you were told Halloween is bad? What do you know about Halloween?
I have never thought about these things. No, I'm not scared, but I'm not going to celebrate Halloween. Its custom is likely interesting, but I will not celebrate until I research about it. As I am a mature person, I should read, learn, study before action. Remember, before doing anything, first ask yourself, why? As a result, I'm not going to participate in Halloween Carnival, but I can see at least buy some funny things and share it with my friends in a safe place.
please like or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.